Hello friends, welcome back to Explore with Solina. From peaceful vibes to hidden beauty, today we explore Kannur. Let's begin this journey together. We begin our journey at St. Anglo Fort. This fort, also known as Kannur Fort, is a fort facing the Arabian Sea. The fort provided naval supplies for the Portuguese conquest of Goa and the Portuguese battles against the Mamluk. The fort is in the Kannur cantonment area. It is fairly well preserved as a protected monument under the Archaeological Survey of India. St. Anglo's Fort is a most important historical monument and a popular tourist attraction. One should visit and experience the history. Our next place is Kannur Lighthouse. The Kannur Lighthouse is located near the Payambalam beach, a few kilometers from Kannur town, in Kerala state, South India. It is adjacent to the Sea View Park and the government guest house. The lighthouse is still active and overlooks the Arabian Sea. Kannur was an important seaport under the 15th century rulers of North Malabar, the Colatries, and the Arakkal kingdom. The port had maritime links with the ports of Madras, Colombo, Tuticorin, Alleppey, Mangalore, Bombay, and Karachi. Payambalam Beach. Payambalam Beach, located in Kannur, Kerala, is a serene and well-maintained coastal destination, known for its long sandy shoreline and beautiful, tranquil environment. Just 2 kilometers from Kannur town, it's a very famous among tourists and local alike. You will also find a lot of trucks and eateries around this beach. Parasanni Kadavu Sri Muthappan Temple, located in Kannur district of Kerala. This sacred temple is dedicated to Sri Muthappan as a unique and beloved deity worshipped as both Thiruvappana and Velattam. Unlike other temples, here everyone is treated equally. There is no caste or religion barrier, and all devotees are welcomed with love and respect. One of the special traditions of this temple is the offering are shared as food, reminding us that humanity is above everything. The Theyyam performance of Sri Muthappan is truly divine, filled with rhythm, devotion, and powerful energy. Surrounded by nature and peaceful Valapattanam river, Parasanni Kadavu Snake Park, located near the famous Sri Muthappan temple in Kannur, Kerala. This snake park is home to many species of snakes, including cobras, vipers, pythons, and other reptiles. The park was created to spread awareness about snakes and to help people understand that snakes are an important part of nature. Here, snakes are kept safely in nature enclosures, and visitors can learn about their habits, behavior, and importance in the ecosystem. Parasanni Kadavu Snake Park also focus on conservation and rescue of reptiles. Surrounded by greenery and calm surroundings, this place is both educational and interesting for all age groups. If you are visiting Kannur, don't miss this unique and informative place. Sri Paralasari Temple, a famous pilgrim center in the North Malabar region of Kerala. Sri Paralasari Temple is situated at the Paralasari in Kannur. The main deity worshipped here is Lord Subramanya. The temple traces its origin to the Treta Yuga. As per Ramayana, Lord Sri Rama, along with Lakshmana and Hanumanji, on their way to Lanka in search of Sita Mata, reached this place and felt the presence of Lord Subramanya. On approval from Lord Ayappa, Sri Rama decided to consecrate the idol of Lord Subramanya in this place. He sent Hanumanji to the north to find a suitable idol to be installed. Welcome to Kavai Backwaters, Kerala, a hidden paradise where nature lives in perfect harmony. Surrounded by lush mangroves, these backwaters are the lifeline of Kerala's ecosystem, protecting the land, nurturing wildlife, and calming the soul. As the boat glides through silent waters, you feel time slow down, and the noise of the world gently fade away. This is not just a destination, it's an experience of peace, balance, and natural beauty. This is the India's longest drive-in beach, where the road meets the sea. Here the waves race alongside your wheels and the wind carries the freedom of your open horizons. Miles of golden sand, endless blue waters, and a journey that feels as relaxing as the destination. Bekal Fort, located in Kasaragod, Kerala, is the largest and one of the most majestic forts in the state. Standing proudly along the Arabian Sea, this historic fort was built to defend the coastline and control maritime routes. Its massive laterite stone walls, wide observation towers, and secret tunnels reflect the brilliance of ancient architecture. From the fort's watchtower, the endless sea unfolds, a view that once guarded enemies and today captures hearts. Wave crashing against the fort remind us that the wild time moves on. History here stands unshaken. Bekal Fort is not just a monument, it is a journey through Kerala's powerful past and timeless beauty. Bekal Beach in Kerala, a place where nature, history, and celebration come together. The view of Arabian Sea with Bekal Fort in the background made this beach feel truly special. One of the most exciting experiences here was the floating bridge. Walking over the waves, feeling the sea move beneath your feet. During the beach fest, The entire place came alive with music, lights, food, and a festive atmosphere all around. From peaceful beach moments to vibrant celebration, our visit to Bekal beach was unforgettable. This is not just a trip, it's a memory we will always carry with us. Kannur leaves you with memories that stay long after the journey ends. This is Kannur, raw, peaceful, and unforgettable. Thank you, friends, for watching. Take care. Bye bye.